composers, Mike here. How do you make all notes the same velocity in Logic Pro X? Let me show you right now. I will also give you a bonus tip in the end of this video. So let's say that you start with a simple beat like this. Alright, and let's say you want to make these chords the same velocity on each chord. Well, the first way is to use the functions MIDI transform fixed velocity up here. Click this and you get this box here. And then you select which velocity level you want each note to have. Let's say 80 is fine. Click Select and Operate, which will make Logic select all notes and set all notes at this velocity level you adjust right here. So if I click this now, so now every note here is 80 in velocity level, as you can also see from the colors here. Now the second way is to use the velocity tool in the piano roll editor. Let me demonstrate this in this drum beat clip here. So as you can see here, down here we have the kick drum beats. So let's say you want to make all of them the same velocity level. Well, I have added the velocity tool as this third tool here, in case you also want to do so, because I strongly recommend it. You go into the Preferences, General, and right mouse button is Assignable Tool. Then you select the velocity tool here. So now, once you selected all the notes you want the same velocity, you can simply use the velocity tool. If you don't use the third tool, you can bring up the velocity tool right here. And then you hover your mouse over a note here and hold down Option or Alt key and the Shift key. And now I can simply drag, left click with my mouse and drag up or down. And you can see all notes will become the same velocity. 97 in this case. I can simply reselect them and adjust it as I wish. Now here's my bonus tip for you. Let's say you have a long region with a drum beat and you want to select only all your kick drum hits. Well, instead of having to left click and drag with your mouse like this, in which case you might accidentally select a few other notes, you can simply go over here and click the key here that represents the kick drum and watch what happens. Voila! All the kick drum hits are now selected in the piano roll. Please like, share and comment on this video to support my channel, and I will see you in the next video, my friends. Subscribe now and watch a lot more videos on composing music, producing music, sound design, Logic Pro X and much more. I'll see you in the next video, my friends.